Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Cowboys From Hell on drums. We'll start by breaking down the powerful intro, focusing on the main beat and how to achieve that signature feel. Then, we'll dive into the double bass work, giving you tips to build speed and endurance. Get ready to lock into the verse groove, ensuring your timing is rock solid. This guide will help you nail every section. Next, let's refine the verse and pre-chorus sections. The key here is developing a consistent 16th note hi-hat pattern while keeping the kick and snare locked in. Pay close attention to the snare drum accents in the pre-chorus. They really drive the energy. Maintaining a steady tempo is crucial, so use a metronome and practice slowly to build precision and confidence. Now, we'll tackle the impactful chorus and the dynamic bridge. The chorus demands a powerful, precise beat, so focus on hitting those accents hard and consistently. The bridge offers some interesting dynamic shifts, requiring careful control and feel. We'll also look at the fills that connect these sections, ensuring your transitions are seamless and impactful. Practice these parts to build your overall stamina. Finally, let's cover the drum parts during the iconic guitar solo and the powerful outro. The solo section requires a solid, supportive groove, while the outro demands maximum intensity to finish strong. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Consistent practice, even for just 15 minutes a day, will significantly improve your playing. Focus on problem areas and use a metronome to build speed and accuracy over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.